Hi everyone. We are talking about how to use a virtual number for Telegram to protect your privacy and stay connected. So, what exactly is a virtual number? A virtual number is a phone number that isn't tied to a physical SIM card or device. It works through the internet, making it a great choice for privacy and flexibility. Using a virtual number on Telegram offers several benefits. First, it protects your privacy by keeping your real number hidden. Second, it's accessible from anywhere in the world. And third, it's often more cost-effective than traditional phone plans. Let's walk through the steps to get a virtual number for Telegram. Step 1. Choose a reputable virtual number provider. There are many options available, so make sure to do some research to find the best one for your needs. Step 2. Register on the provider's website and select your virtual number. This process is usually quick and straightforward. Step 3. Use your new virtual number to register on Telegram. Simply enter the virtual number instead of your personal number when signing up. And that's it. With a virtual number, you can enjoy all the features of Telegram while keeping your personal number private. It's a simple and effective way to enhance your online privacy. Got questions on how to use a virtual number for Telegram? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and communication tips. CallMama, connecting people with loved ones.